Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So thank you guys so much for coming on over today and watching this video. So in today's video we are going to be unboxing my March 2020 Ipsy box. Let me start by saying that I'm so glad to be back, and so I'm trying to get these things filmed because I haven't been able to really talk a whole lot, and now I'm feeling a lot better, so I figured I would come on here and go ahead and get these filmed for you guys. Sorry if you hear my dog, she just went on a walk and she's not happy to be back. This box is $25 a month, $27 with tax. So let's go ahead and get started. So it does have the padding and everything that I like to have in my boxes. And I'm going to grab the card real quick. Alright, and it says, excuse me for the coughing, Celebrate You March 2020. This is an invitation to a celebration of our 100th glam bag. And you, let's high five how we've come, far we've come and where we're going. To get started, we added a bonus product as a thank you for being along for the ride. Open up your 6 Glam Plus bag picks valued at $120. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I see is the Hemp's Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer, Hydrate and Refresh. This is in the 2.25 fluid ounce. I have tried this. I do like these. I think they're really good body lotions for hands, body. I think they smell great. They feel great on the skin. This does retail for $10.59, and it just says that it has seed oil with a tropical scented body cream formulated to hydrate the skin with pineapple extract, antioxidant loaded honey melon extracts to help nourish, repair, and soften skin. I love this. Very happy to get this. My husband loves these as well. So that is the first thing. The second thing that I see in here is the Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil. And in pink, it does retail for $24. It says let your lips live their best life with the tinted oil. It has 8 different superfoods to apply. Excuse me. To supply your lips with antioxidants, nourishment, moisture, so they feel soft and healthy with a little bit of sheer pink tint. Gorgeous and flattering. Sorry guys. It's the more I talk, but I just have to film these, so we're going to try a little bit on. It has coconut oil, vitamin E, rice bran oil, avocado seed oil, carrot seed oil, chia seed oil, black sesame seed oil, and flaxseed oil. It's a lot of oils, so it should be pretty hydrating, I would say. Don't you guys think? If I can get it open. Oh, wow. It's very child-proof. It's not too thick. Very oily, I'd have to say. It smells kind of watermelon-y. Not bad. Would I pay $24 for it? Probably not, but it's nice. It feels really good on the lips, so yeah, that's really nice. Okay, moving on. The next thing I see is the Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Girl Powder. Cheeks on the Go. Cute packaging. So cute. This is the item that I did choose. I wanted to get the palette. Excuse me, but when I got to thinking, I have so many palettes, and so I thought, you know what, I really don't need another palette. It wasn't like to die for, so, and I don't have a ton of blush palettes, so I thought this would be much better. So we're just going to open it up, see if I can get it opened up. Now it does say here, it's a palette with 4 mix and match peachy brown shades with a deep rose matte shade for a soft glow. You can amp up things, shimmering blush, highlighter, and even use it as eyeshadow. It retails for $26 $12.50. So I'm just going to take some of this one here, this bourbon, on my blush brush, and we're going to just try a little bit on. I mean, why not? So I'm using this Wet n Wild brush. Even though I have blush on already, probably too much. Wow, that's very pigmented. I barely put my brush in there. Can you see all that? My goodness. Well, guess it's okay. Can you see that? Look how pretty that is. Wow. And we're just going to go in this highlighter. It looks a little bit too deep for my skin tone, but we're going to try it anyways on the end. It's called Fifth. Wow, that's really pretty. I guess it's not too dark for my skin. But it would be very pretty to definitely put as an eyeshadow. Wow, that's really pretty. Hopefully you guys can see it. So yeah, this I'm super excited. Okay, next thing is this Complex Culture. It looks like it's a concealer brush, and it says it isn't your standard fluffy concealer brush. It's densely packed for full coverage finish with an angled tip with ultra precise even application while concealing your under eyes, the sides of your nose, and the corners of your face. It retails for $26. Let me first start by saying the brush is absolutely gorgeous in the packaging as far as the aesthetic of it. It is very, very dense. I'm very excited to play with it, and I will use it in an upcoming video. I already have concealer and stuff on now, so I will be including this very soon in a makeup look that I do. Excited about that. So far, this box has made me really happy. I have to say it's way better than the March base BoxyCharm box. So I have to say, normally I wouldn't say Ipsy is better because I think BoxyCharm is a lot better. But this month I have to say, so far they're really making me happy. All right, so the next thing I see is Hey Honey Trick and Treat Concealer Active Propolis Cream Concealer with Treatment Benefits Light to Medium Skin, all skin types. It is a 0.5. This is plenty of concealer. It says here that it's a medium coverage, active ingredients, moisturizing proline, antibacterial propolis extract, help treat imperfections, while triple pigment technology instantly diffuses the look of dark circles, redness, and breakouts. And it retails for $36, you guys. That's crazy. Hopefully it's good. I'm going to definitely be trying that out soon. I'm going to put it right over here for my things to try because if that will help with my dark circles, then yeah, it would be worth the $36, but we don't know until we try it. The Mayal Skin Therapy Facial Oil for more replenished, hydrated, supple skin. It's a 1.01 fluid ounce. That is what it looks like. I never tried anything from this brand. It says it retails for $29. It says rehab your dry skin after a long cold winter with deeply moisturizing face oil. Nourishing antioxidants like vitamin E, coenzyme Q10 plus fatty acids from camellia oil, which boosts collagen production and helps repair your skin's protective barrier. I'm really excited to try this because I have super dry skin. I'm not going to open this yet because I do have another oil I'm working on now, but so excited to try this. I think it's going to be great on my dry skin and cannot wait to use it. All right, and the last thing I see in here is this little bag. I think it's cute. The color assortment, and then this here, this wasn't necessary. I don't really like them with words, but I like the pop of color. I think it's cute. And then this side looks like that. This one I may keep because I think it is very cute, and if I'm running out the door and I want to maybe just throw my phone and my like my card or whatever in there, that would be really cute to do that. So yeah, I like that. So I have to say that I'm very, very pleasantly pleased with this month's box of Ipsy. I'm very surprised and very happy because everything in it I'm keeping and I liked. So I'm not giving anything away or unhappy with anything this month. Like I said, it did say that it retailed for $120 or more. So yeah, Really, really happy with that one, guys. So that is going to complete this month's Ipsy unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you got in your box that was different from mine. I always love to know what you guys get as well, and see what you get as well. So please don't forget to do that down in the comments below. And if you are not subscribed, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can join me here on my YouTube journey. I would love to have you guys if you want to be a part of it. But yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all of your constant support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And this is going to conclude the video for today. But until the next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.